Hi! In this video, I will show you how to zoom in Photopea. First, we will open our image here. In Photopea, we have two options in zooming in and out an image. First option is we can use the zoom tool here. By clicking the zoom tool, we have already these buttons right here. Click this one to zoom in an image. And click this one to zoom out an image. Second option is we will use the Alt key and the mouse for zooming in and out an image. To zoom in an image, press the Alt key on your keyboard and then scroll out on your mouse. In that way, you can zoom in an image. To zoom out, press the Alt key and scroll in on your mouse. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!